Click on the link below to get price. The BRVG 2200-225 Pint Commercial LGR Dehumidifier stands out as a formidable tool in water damage restoration. Designed for heavy-duty use, this dehumidifier excels in environments where moisture control is crucial, such as basements, construction sites, and flood-affected areas. One of the most impressive features of the VG2200 is its exceptional moisture removal capability. With a capacity to extract up to 225 pints per day, it effectively tackles high humidity levels, making it ideal for rapid drying in large spaces. The low-grain refrigerant, LGR, technology enhances its efficiency, allowing it to extract more moisture from the air at lower temperatures, which is particularly advantageous in cooler or less than optimal drying conditions. The build quality of the BRVG 2200 is robust and durable, constructed to endure the rigors of commercial use. Its compact design, combined with integrated wheels and a handle, ensures that it remains portable and easy to maneuver across different job sites. Additionally, the unit features a large, easy-to-empty collection tank, which simplifies the maintenance process during prolonged use. User-friendly controls enhance the overall experience. The digital display provides real-time humidity readings and allows for easy adjustment of settings, ensuring that users can tailor the dehumidification process to specific needs. The automatic pump-out feature is another highlight, offering continuous drainage without the need for frequent tank emptying. Noise levels are relatively low for a commercial-grade unit, making it suitable for use in occupied spaces without causing significant disruptions. The inclusion of a built-in humidistat further enhances its functionality, allowing for automated operation based on current humidity levels. In conclusion, the BRVG 2200-225 Pint Commercial LGR Dehumidifier for water damage restoration equipment is a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly solution for anyone in need of serious moisture control. Its powerful performance, durable design, and thoughtful features make it a worthy investment for both professionals and homeowners dealing with water damage issues.